Dear Jackson, you're a psychotherapist at You're Worthy. I want to talk about emotional wounds because when I talk to people, they tend to think that, oh, this is all in the past and it has no effect on who I'm currently being. However, this is untrue. The molestation, the divorce, the betrayal, the heartache, the bullying, the instability in your childhood, all of this is emotional damage. These are things that have hurt you. And if you have not healed any of these things, it is contaminating your life. And until you heal these emotional wounds, you will be in this constant place of hurt. Tyler Perry once said, what's in the well will come up in the bucket. So if you are ready to clean up your water, join me and my colleague on Saturday, February 3rd, for our workshop From Pain to Peace. Thank you.